In today's video, I'm going to give you the step-by-step guide you need to get ungated in any product on Amazon FBA. Hey everyone, welcome back again to the channel. For anyone new to the channel, please like, subscribe, help us grow the channel. That really helps us massively. For those that don't know who I am, my name is Damien and I have been selling on Amazon FBA now for about almost 3 years. I have been selling on e-commerce platforms for well over a decade. The team at Deal Hunters have over 100 years combined experience, and we are specifically talking about Amazon FBA in today's video. The term ungated, what does that mean? In simple terms, the term ungating means getting approval to sell restricted categories or restricted brands. And the reason Amazon does this is because they want you to go through the process of getting set up, become a proper seller. They want to almost watch your account, see that you're doing things legitimately. Best brands in the world don't want Amazon sellers just to come on, sign up in a day and then ship in a load of counterfeit goods. So that's the reason why they do it. And yes, it's painful at the start, and every brand you have to get ungated, but trust us when we say it's only a matter of time before all categories and all types of brands just get ungated, just get opened up to you. And the idea is you go through the process showing that you're buying good, authentic products. You're providing the invoices, all the documentation that they need. They will give you access to that brand. And then once you've done that so many times, Amazon looks at you, they see that the feedback's coming back from the clients that are buying the products, and they're seeing that you are providing legitimate goods that the customers are happy with, and that builds up trust. And then that trust allows them to take off the pressures, take off the red tape, the restrictions, and open up all the categories. But at the start, it can be very, very difficult to know how to get this documentation, how to get ungated, how do you get approval to sell this lucrative, high quality branded products. Step one is research the category requirements. Each restricted category has its own set of requirements. For example, to sell in the grocery category, you might need to provide documentation like invoices and reputable suppliers, a completed application, and sometimes even a quality control process description. Now that might all sound a bit overwhelming, but it really isn't that difficult. You need to be buying from proper wholesalers or companies that will give you invoices, and this can be difficult at the start if you're going around just scanning, maybe picking up 2 or 3 items here and there, and you get hit with this restriction. You're not going to be able to get ungated with that good. You don't have the documentation. Now there is ways around it. For example, if the brand is Lego brand, you might find 3 of these in a shelf and you buy them. You won't have the invoices, you won't have the documentation, but do not fear. You can actually go and buy 10 from a wholesaler. Get your invoices for perhaps the cheapest product, so it's not costing you too much to get the invoices, but that invoice will have Lego. It'll have 10 quantity, it'll have the details, it'll have the authentication that will allow you to then get ungated. Once you get ungated in Lego, that opens the door up for every Lego product. There's this misconception that every good you sell, you'll have to get invoices and go through all this. And that's why so many people just give up. They don't persist with it. They don't listen to what we say by saying, just keep going. And I always say to people, try to be diverse. Try to open up the categories as well as just individual brands. Don't go all in on toys, because then maybe after 6 months of selling toys, you'll go to sell groceries and then you'll face the same problem. So when you're buying your initial set of goods, almost look at the first month of Amazon FBA as building the foundations. What do I need to do? I need to get ungated. Okay, I'm going to look, can I get good wholesale products that I can resell? That's the ideal scenario. Even if it's just breaking even, it's not costing you anything to get ungated. That's a win. There is many brands and categories that you can get in without having to go through this process, and that's another way to build up the trust with Amazon. Once you've sold enough goods, they'll start going, this guy's pretty good, he must be good, the customer feedback's been good. We can open up this category to maybe every brand. So there's many ways of doing it, but at the start it's very difficult because you just want to go, you want to buy a good deal, but you maybe don't want to buy, say for example, Sony is going to be more higher end luxury goods. You're not maybe going to be in a position to buy 10 PlayStation 5s, but you can maybe get one at a good deal. So what do? Do you give up on it? How do you know this? Will you run into a problem? This is where tools, again, we'll talk about tools all the time in this channel. They're essential. A builder doesn't go out to a building site to dig a hole with his bare hands. He uses a spade. It's the exact same principle. You need tools, you need assistance to help you, to protect you. And this video, we're going to show you a tool on AMZ Scout that allows you to see straight away, is this ungated? Is this going to be a problem for me? Thank the Lord for AMZ Scout. It has told me this straight away, and then you can make a decision. Should I go and try and source invoices? Can I get invoices? Or am I better just leaving this product to the side? So how do we get this tool? Well, if we go to AMZ Scout, it goes directly to their website. I'll go this through with you. Go to product research, and if you scroll right down here, you'll see this Amazon drop shipping, arbitrage, and wholesale extension. This will help you with, guess what? Drop shipping, arbitrage, and the wholesale. So click that. It'll bring you to the Chrome web store, and then go to add to Chrome, add extension. It'll only take a moment depending on your internet provider. Now that you've got the extension installed, I've just typed in Lego. So if we scroll down here, using the example of Lego, because Lego is one that you'll want to get ungated on, and the reason why a lot of YouTubers and content creators talk about Lego so much is because it's actually quite an easy one to get ungated in. So if we scroll down, we'll use this as our example. You'll see here, this is the AMZ tool where you can type in all your product information and see if it's profitable. All of that is there. We've covered it in our videos. But what to hear? Gated category, you need approval. Couldn't be any more clearer than that. You need approval. And just on that as well, it does say if it's private label, hazmat, and other essential things that maybe will put you off this product. Okay, so assuming you want to buy this Lego product and you want to get ungated and you want to start the process, you simply go on and add this product to Amazon. What you do then is you'll go to Amazon and you'll go to product IDs. You'll hit submit, and we'll find the Lego product. Obviously, I don't have to get ungated in this because I can sell Lego. And as you can see here, it's been a long time since I had to do any ungating. And you can see all the different brands, all ungated. Some of them are auto ungated, like you need to be approved and you get approved straight away. Some are more difficult. You have to provide all the different details, as we said. So what I'm going to try and do is go back. Here's an email from about 2 years ago. They asked me for the details, and what they said is, please note that we are unable to accept retail receipts, online order confirmations, packing slips, sale orders, pro forma invoices, or sale quotes for approval. To proceed, please provide an invoice from a manufacturer or a distributor, wholesaler, itemized list of goods purchased and the terms of sale, or provide information from a supplier. Please respond with the corresponding information. So Amazon will help you. Now there is a little trick. Go on to Lego's website and buy at least 10 of one item. You could buy the cheapest item. It might not cost you that much to buy it. Perhaps around Christmas, give everyone a Lego toy for Christmas. Problem solved. You've got your invoice. You can get ungated on Lego. If you have a wholesaler, that's it. You're perfect. You're good to go. You can just literally go to your wholesaler and get the boxes, the invoices and everything. They'll give it all to you and you'll have absolutely no problem with doing that. But when you're set up, you may not have a wholesale account. You might not have bought a wholesale course and know how to do this, so you're really struggling. Type in, even into Google, wholesalers USA, wholesalers Europe, wholesalers wherever you may be, and what you will find is there will be ones that come to the top of the list. Now these will not be great wholesalers. These will not be ones that you will be setting up long serving accounts for, but you might be able to find a product that will get you access and you'll be able to join that wholesaler without having a big company. And that's the good thing about it, and that's why those companies exist. Have you ever found wholesalers where you go, these prices are really expensive, they make no sense, how does anyone buy them? Well, this is kind of why, because they are big, they do provide the products in good supply, and for Amazon you can go on, sign up very easy and ship it in. Now if you have the likes of Costco or a nearby store, some of these places, if you buy 10, can give you invoices. You can set up business accounts for different companies as well. There's many different ways, but ultimately what you need is to buy at least 10 of a brand, or 10 of the same product ideally, but at least the brand, and that should be enough if it has all the details and it is a paid invoice. I wish I could say it's as simple as submitting that information and then that is it. That email that I showed you there was actually a rejection on a perfectly submitted application. What I find with Amazon FBA is, I don't know if it's robots, I don't know if it's just people that are just can't be bothered doing their job. They don't like to work hard. So what I do, and this is the trick that I've learned and I'll tell you now, see the criteria they're looking for, the address, the quantity, the product. I would highlight every bit of the information that they're looking for, especially perhaps if your invoice has 4 or 5, 6 dozen different items on it. It could be potentially hard for them to recognize that. So make it very, very clear. You don't have to have the sums of money if you feel uncomfortable. Don't really see any pros or cons to doing that. So it's entirely up to yourself. I would circle the address, the name, the paid amount, the product. Circle it all, so it's very, very easy for them to tick their checklist, and that's it. And if that fails, I kid you not, resubmit the exact same thing. I've had to do this maybe 2, 3 times, 4 times maybe, the exact same thing, until the right persons came along and went, no problem, tick, you're ungated. So do not be disheartened. Actually expect the disappointment, expect the rejection, expect you've done everything right, but they're still saying no. Starting a business is never easy. You do need a bit of an outlay, and you will come across restrictions, and you will come across barriers that you have to face. But guess what? The beautiful thing about Amazon FBA is a lot of these difficult kind of things at the start, they go away fairly quickly. The more you get ungated in brands and bigger categories, that's it. You've done it. Like I said, you looked at my email, 2022 was the last time I did anything. And I have been getting ungated in products every other day. Different brands, different products, different categories. It's purely down at the start about building that trust, as I said at the start of the video. Once you do that, Amazon will look after you. They'll try their best at the start to put these barriers up, but that's just to protect themselves, that's to protect the customers, that's to protect the brands that they're selling. They have to do that. So understand that, don't take it to heart, don't give up, push on through that barrier, and then it is smooth sailing until the next problem that comes along. But honestly, getting ungated is not difficult. You can do it. Don't give up. Keep submitting the same thing. If you know you've ticked the boxes, it can be frustrating. Just submit it a couple of times, and over the course of the week, trust me, if you've done it right, you will get ungated. I hope you find this video informative. If you have, please like, subscribe, help us grow the channel. I really do appreciate that. And also check out the link down below. We can give you free access to AMZ Scout, so you can check if you're ungated, if it's hazmat, check out your profit margin. Just like I said, you need tools. You might as well get a free use of a tool.